Vogue, and this is my beauty essentials. I'm going to show you my daily hair routine. Well, actually, maybe I don't do it every day, but every second day. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. I've dried my hair with the Dyson Supersonic, and I've got it to probably 50% dry. If you're doing a blow dry, you want it to stay put. So I love a styling gel that's going to ensure it goes the distance and it will last until the next time I wash my hair. I'm loving at the moment this R & Co Zip Up Multitasking Styling Lotion. I'm literally applying the smallest amount, just the size of a pea. Work it in with your hands and then just apply directly to your hair, combing it through. I generally try to avoid the roots because I want most of the product on the ends just to keep them nice and hydrated and not dry. And then you're ready to go. So start by sectioning your hair out into 3 sections. So basically from your ear to ear, we're going to separate that part of the hair, pop it up with any clip you have. Just make sure it's nice and secure. Now we've got a really easy, manageable piece of hair to work with. Once you've sectioned out your hair, just give that section of hair a comb so you've got no knots. We're going to start with the GHD Duet Blow Dry Brush. This is actually a hairdryer and a hot tool in one. So air comes out of here, but then you've also got a heated element. So I find that is really great for giving a lot of volume. It smooths out the hair and it also makes it last a lot longer. Okay, so now we section out another third of the hair. The key to a great blow dry is ensuring that you get a lot of tension. That's the difference between a blow dry that you'll get at the hairdressers and one you'll do at home. So what we really want to do is get the hot brush really close to the roots, wrap the hair around, and then you're pulling quite hard just to get that tension. Brush out your new section, adding a bit more water if it has dried, and then go in with your hot tool. Finally, section out the last bit of hair. This bit is quite important because it's the pieces of hair that will frame your face. So if your hair has dried too much, just go in with a spray bottle and pop some extra water so that you can really ensure that these pieces at the front are being dried properly and they haven't kind of set in a formation that you're not happy with. When you're starting this third section, just ensure that you do the front pieces first because that'll give you a framework and then you just work backwards. So that is the blow drying part done. You can see it's got a nice body, it's not a curl, it's just a nice little wave, and this will stay put until the next time I dry my hair. If I want to just do the front, I will just the next day dampen these front sections and just do that again if you wake up and it's not sitting exactly how you want it to sit. Now we're just going to go in with our dry shampoo. Even when I've just washed my hair, I kind of use dry shampoo as a preventative for oil buildup. I'm definitely prone to oiliness, I've got oily skin, and my hair generally needs washing every second day. But I find I might get an extra day out of it if I put dry shampoo in the day that I wash it. Don't apply it directly to the part line. You're just gonna pick up some pieces, go underneath. I'm using the Hair by Sam McKnight Lazy Girl Dry Shampoo. Sam is an industry veteran. He's done all of the backstage shows. If there's a hair trend, he's probably started it. And his products are just really reliable. So this is a great one. It's very small as well. You can pop it in your handbag. And then we're just gonna go through with a hairspray. This one is Joico's Humidity Blocker. It's a protective finishing spray. So great for the elements. Also, Australian weather, very hot, very humid. This is great. So just I like to give that a minute to just marinate. I'm just gonna brush that through to ensure we don't have any of that kind of hairspray stickiness or crunchiness that you can get. And that is my everyday hair look.